This outfit looks good.
Makeup is all over the desk. The phone keeps buzzing.
You look busy.
I have many plans. This cafe looks nice.
You love coffee places. I pack light.
We stay only 2 days.
Tall buildings fill the window. Cars move fast below.
My weekend will be fun.
This weekend is different.
I hope so.
Emma folds her clothes.
I don't want to go.
Just try.
Shopping bags wait on the floor. The alarm rings early. The city wakes up. The bus leaves the city. Buildings disappear. The road gets smaller. Trees replace buildings.
This looks boring.
Look at the sky. It feels open.
It feels empty.
Wide fields appear. The sky is very blue. The bus slows down. Tall grass moves softly.
They are here.
I can see them.
Grandma.
Emma. I missed you.
Me too.
Hi, Grandma.
Welcome. You grew up.
Thank you.
Welcome home.
It's good to be here.
The old house stands still. Sunlight hits the roof. Bague coïncide. Old furniture shines.
Sit down.
Okay.
Tea waits on the table.
It's very quiet.
Yes, it is. These are family photos.
They are old.
The curtain moves.
The house feels alive.
Yes.
I feel calmer.
Come with me.
Dust floats in light. An old room appears. The wall looks old.
We slept here.
Really?
That's my bear.
You loved it.
I forgot this.
but it stayed. You carried it everywhere.
I did.
Memories feel close. The window is clean.
I helped a little.
Thank you.
I fixed the wall.
It looks nice.
Good work.
Thanks.
The wall feels warm.
Light fills the room. The window opens. Curtains move slowly.
I like this room.
The room stays quiet. Night come.
Eat more.
Okay. The food is simple.
It's homemade. I like it.
It's okay.
Water pours slowly. The sky turns dark. Starapir.
No signal.
That's normal.
The phone shows nothing.
I can't sleep.
Just rest. Put the phone down.
A candle flickers.
It's too quiet.
Shadow mauve. Insect sing.
I miss the city.
Emma sleep. Moonlight fills the room. Morning comes. Morning light touches grass. Tracy is sleeping.
Good morning.
Already?
The chickens eat early.
I feel rested. I slept well.
That's good.
It's so quiet.
The road is empty.
Let's walk.
The dirt road is long. The town is small. Shops are closed. No one is rushing. Leaves move softly.
Life is slower.
That's the charm.
Maybe.
Old houses pass by.
The wood feels real. I can breathe.
The sun rises higher.
I feel lighter.
Two sisters walk. The town stays behind. Tracy starts to change.